What's going on, guys? Happy Dog Moto here. Just finished work. Just out here leaving the city. Heading out that way. Gonna do some exploring. Probably gonna end up having to go get some more gas. And yeah, just see what's out there. Let's see what we get into. Yeah, should be good. Should be a good time. Just ooh, a little loose back there. Yeah, it's pretty soft yet. Yeah. Hell yeah. Somebody drove down here? What are the chances this camera got mud on it already? Pretty high, eh? Wiped. A little bit of red dirt. Interesting. Yeah, man. It was a good day at work. Making super chill day, doing a big project. I hit 200 subscribers this weekend. That's pretty cool. I was pretty excited. Go down the highway a bit. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, you too. Oh, it's windy out here, boys. Let's go play. Hell yeah. $6.99. There was $6.66 this morning. Now it's 700. 700, boy. 700. Oh. Well, guys, it's big learning curve, man. This bike's gonna fall over 100%. This thing's a beast. Big power difference. doing wheelies on this thing. It's hard work. It's good work. Let's do some. Take the backpack off. Do a little bit of practicing. Eh? What y'all think? Okay. Huh. Woo, almost ate shit. Cover the brake. Oh. Okay. That was nice. That felt really nice. Oh. Timing, it's all about timing, timing, timing. Whale bear. Yeah? More up, eh? It's higher. You guys are watching me wheelie this thing, actually try to wheelie this thing slow for the first time. Like the actual, like... Ooh. See? Nice. All right. Clutch. That was all just clutch and throttle. Right? Let's do a lap. Some big holes in here. Okay, so my foot is over the brake. One finger, I'm one finger. Oh, okay, yeah. One finger in the clutch. Oh, I messed it up. Well, it's getting there. Oh. Big hole there. Huh. All right. I'm gonna do it. I don't care what it takes, how long it takes. I'm gonna do it. Ah, yeah. See if we can give you guys an actual angle. All right. You guys see me there? Hear me here. Hopefully you guys see me. There you go. Now I know you guys see me. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm hovering the brake with my foot. Okay. I got one finger on the clutch. At least one finger. If you're the 2-finger kind of guy, no big deal. It's okay. And then you're just gonna. Oh. See, not like that. And honestly, what I found is just feel it out. Because like when it comes down to it, you got to do what makes you feel comfortable, right? So if you're comfortable wheeling a certain way, it's why like a wheelie tutorial video is kind of silly. Like on a Suron or something like that, way different. And there's no comparison. Like, yeah. There's just no comparison. Only comparison is balance point. It's a little different, but the feeling is the same, and just keeping it there, right? So it gives you the confidence. So I really bought my Ultra B to start my stunting, right? To get comfortable on it, to just feel with it, right? And then no gas, not paying for gas. I mean, this is awesome too, right? But when it comes down to it, a gas bike is where it is, 100%. So remember, you're hovering the brake, finger on the clutch, woo, like that. Too much. See how my feet came off? Yeah, I'll come back around. See how my foot came off there? I had no brake, right? So my only option was there is to pull in the clutch and hope that I'm not past the balance point. And actually at that point I was holding the bike up, which is, you know, it happens. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Happy to the music. Need the music. I can't do this vibe without music. It's pretty chill though. Right? People are messaging me. I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Oh. And it's you're not gonna get on a bike and never wheeling before and do that. Like you will, but bad things are gonna happen, especially on a 450. Okay, not the bike to start doing wheelies on. 100%. It's better than a liter bike, but there's a lot of power there, man. And you don't need any of that power to lift this front of this bike up. It's quite light in this bike. 250 pounds. All right. Huh. Lots of stalls. Oh, terrible. Woo! See, I needed to pull the clutch in like there. See, clutch in. I almost went over the bars there. Deadly. I don't know if this is the best ground to be doing this on, but all the grass and the dirt over there is still frozen a couple inches down, so Interesting. Huh. See, I'm giving it gas. I don't think I should be giving it gas. I think I should be modulating the clutch and kind of almost stay at 1 RPM. Tell me in the comments if hell yeah. God dang. I really love doing this. I don't even know how to explain it. I wish I would have never stopped riding a bike in my teens. This is amazing. This is life-changing. Absolutely life-changing. Absolutely. Like, do you guys agree that this is life-changing? It's amazing. Ah! Whew! Do some wheelies. Gotta show the kids what's up, you know? Ooh, on this bike, I always accidentally touch the back tire with my hand. Gotta be careful. Woo! It is a Sur-Ron Ultra B. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, give her. Like, it's awesome. Figured it was cheaper than a KTM and right on point with power-wise. A little bit less, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, for sure. That's what it's all about, guys. Nice. Is that a Yami? Yeah, it is. Nice.
Was going to the car wash. Got stuck.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, man. You were back here, and like in the field. Oh man. It's the worst. Yeah.
Now I need even more wash.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah.
I don't want to get pulled over on the
Yeah.
drag.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Never know when the cops are.
Yeah, I haven't had too many. I was sitting in at the coffee trailer that comes here every once in a while. I was sitting there last week on my 450, and they didn't seem to care.
Like, they seen me before.
Yeah.
I was not driving. I was just parked by the church.
Yeah.
They never did anything.
Yeah.
When they see you drive.
Yeah, you never know, right? Like, yeah. Yeah, man.
I don't know all of those. Like, I know.
Yeah. Yeah, like, I don't know. In a town like this, they seem pretty. As long as you're not ripping around annoying people, that's like the only thing I think.
That's what I was getting worried. I was wondering if one of these houses.
Yeah, they're pretty chill.
So that's why I'm not aggressive, 'cause
Yeah, they can portion it. Your chain came off and everything.
Huh?
Your chain came off and everything.
Oh shit.
It's not anything going good.
I need a bigger bike.
Yeah.
125s.
Oh yeah, I should just pop right back on and get you home still at least.
Car wash.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just stay off the road, but like.
You could put on the side there. That's what everybody does. You probably just want to put it in neutral and then roll it back like that. Yeah. Just like a bicycle.
I was wondering because I was still in gear and I could push it. I'm like.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah. Almost. Watch your fingers. Oh, she's in there. Good. Oh. Try to roll forward a bit. And then.
like, I don't know if it's even in neutral. It's kind of finicky.
Yeah, it seems a little off. It's like it's. Oh, I see it's off on the front too.
So I need to do that one first, right?
Yeah, I got to do the front first and then. Shit, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and now it should just pop right on. Oh. Boom.
Oh.
It's like that. Awesome.
Now I should start up if it's
Yeah, it should fire right up now and. Awesome, man. Yeah, man, you have fun. Be safe. Oh. See, now it's doable because the slush, it's all slush now, right? Like.
Fuck about.